Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Kava. The price line of Kava is moving at a very long-term support, and in today's video we will analyze whether are we going to break it down or we are going to have a powerful reversal towards the upside. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share this chart with you that basically I shared on 25th of December for my members at the Patreon. And at that time, the price line completed the final leg of a very big harmonic bullish reversal guideline move, and we also had a very nice support of the 100 simple moving average. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this guideline move, our targets are approximately $6 and goes to $8.09. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has started its move to the upside, and right now it is move up to $4.53. Now, if we move back to this weekly time frame and live weekly time frame, then we can see here price line has found this very nice and long-term support. And since after May 2020, the price line never broke down the support. Here we have the next bounce on 25th of January, and here we have the next bounce in the month of July 2021. And this is the recent bounce we are having in the month that was started here. Here we had a bounce in the month of November 2021. We had a spike up to this support, and now we are having a powerful reversal towards the upside. I'm expecting that this reversal move will be continued, because if I place a trend line from this high to this low and cover all these candlesticks and switch it to the daily time frame, then let me just show you this down channel that the price line has uh, formed here. This is the resistance, and you can see that we are about to break it out, and this is the support of this down channel on the daily time frame, and the price line is right now about to break out this resistance of the down channel. Now, if we switch back to the weekly time frame, then here we can also observe that every time, whenever the price line is having bounced by this support, every time it is forming higher than previous high. Now, if I connect all these highs, even including this candlestick as well, then if the price line is going to form another higher than previous high, and for example, if it will hit this trend line here, that will be approximately $11.25. It depends where it hits this resistance. It is possible that it will move a little bit sideways, and then it will hit the resistance. As much as it will move sideways and move up, as much it can hit the higher targets. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator here, and that is really very important, because this time we are having a bullish divergence appeared. A hidden bullish divergence appeared on this daily time frame. The stochastic is showing, and the RSI is also showing. We can see that this high is the next high of the price line is higher than the previous high. And here, if we take a look at the RSI, then sorry, this is not the high, this is the lower. The next low is higher than previous low. And now, if we watch the RSI, it is forming a lower than previous low, and even the stochastic is also forming lower than previous low. Let me just show you from this trend line. We can see that it has formed a lower than previous low. So there is also a very big hidden bullish divergence appeared on this weekly time frame. And at the same time, we can see that the price line, the movement of the price action, is very much synchronized with the movement of this stochastic. We can see whenever it is hitting this support here, and the stochastic is entering the oversold zone, then we are having a very nice rally towards the upside. Here we again had the stochastic in the oversold zone. The price line reached here, moved sideways, and started a big rally. And here we have witnessed the same move again, and we had a bigger rally than the previous one. And this time again, stochastic hit the oversold zone, and it has turned bullish, and the price line is also following the signal of the stochastic here. So everything is signaling to a bullish reversal from here, a powerful bullish reversal. We can see we have a very big hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame. We also have the stochastic coming out from the oversold zone, and every time whenever it is coming out from the oversold zone, we are having very nice rallies, and the price line is forming higher than previous highs. And the most powerful signal is this pattern that we are having on this weekly time frame, a big harmonic bullish reversal guideline move. And according to these signals, I'm expecting that the price line is going to set another higher than previous high, a new all-time high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.